Hello, Rolling Meadows community. This is Ali Terrasas, or Mrs. Terrasas, your new principal. I hope you all are having a wonderful summer and doing lots of fun things during your break. Our assistant principal and I have been busy during the summer planning for the next school year, and we're really excited to see you all back in August. I have a really important announcement to share with all of you. So, back in May, we did some videos, Mrs. Dees and I, to introduce ourselves to you all. Mrs. Dees actually got a different job. So she's going to be the assistant principal at Kearns High School. And so we are lucky enough to have Annie Orton, Mrs. Orton, as our assistant principal next year. I've already introduced myself. I'm going to introduce myself one more time for this video for those that maybe didn't get to see the other video. But then most importantly, Miss Orton is going to introduce herself so that you all can get to know her as well. First, I'd like to tell you a little bit about my family. I grew up in a really big family. I'm the oldest of 7 kids, which was a lot of fun. And now I have a family of my own. My husband, David, and I have been married for almost 8 years, and we have 3 kids. Leonardo is 5, Raphael is 3, and our youngest, Donatello, just turned 1. You may have noticed that their names are very similar to some famous superheroes, the Ninja Turtles. My husband loves the Ninja Turtles, and luckily I really liked those names. I started my career as a teacher actually at Granger High School. I taught language arts. I also taught English language classes to students who were new to the country and just starting to learn English. And I also taught a class called AVID, which helped kids get ready for college, which was really fun. Then I worked for a little while teaching also language arts and English language classes at Northwest Middle School, which is in our district. And then I came back to Granite, and I actually was working at Granite Peaks Adult Education. So I was a coordinator there helping grown-ups to learn English, learn new skills so that they could get jobs that they wanted and things like that. It was a really fun job. After that, I went into administration. I became an assistant principal. And since then, I have worked at 5 different elementary schools, which has been really fun. I've been everything from a jaguar to a dragon, but I'm so excited that now I get to be a rocket. The last thing I want to share with you are a few things that I like to do for fun. I have grown up with lots of brothers, and so I love sports. My husband and I, we love University of Utah football, and we love going to games together or just watching the games. We also love being outside. So anything like hiking or camping or going swimming in the lake, things like that, we love being outside in nature. Another thing we really like to do is travel to new places and meet new people and learn about new cultures. 2 trips that I have pictures of here is my husband is from Peru. So one of the first trips we took after we got married was to Peru to visit some of his family, but we also got to visit Machu Picchu, which are some ancient ruins from the Incan people. They're beautiful and so amazing. Another trip that we went on recently was to Aruba, which is an island kind of near South America, which was very pretty and very warm and had really awesome beaches. So those were 2 of our favorite trips most recently.
Hi, Rockets. I am so excited to be a part of your school this coming year. A little about me. My name is Mrs. Orton, Annie Orton, and I have been in education. This will be my 17th year. And I grew up in a family of 6 kids. I'm one of 5 sisters and 1 brother. I'm number 3, so kind of the middle child, and I definitely enjoyed that growing up. I grew up in Delta, Utah, a small little town, loved it. And I have been in the Salt Lake area for just a couple of years. I got married to Jeremy about 2 years ago, just a little over 2 years ago. He had 4 children. His first wife sadly passed away from cancer about 8 years ago. They have 2 boys and 2 girls, and I get to be a stepmom, which is so fun. They're all grown up. The youngest graduated from high school a couple months after we got married. The 2 boys are engaged and are going to be getting married this coming year, which is exciting. So I was a math teacher for 14 years. I first started at Canyon View High School down in Cedar City. Then I taught at Hillcrest Junior High for a couple of years, West Jordan Middle School for one, Canyon View Middle School for a couple of years, and 7 years at Cedar High School. And then when I got married, I moved up to Salt Lake and I started working in Granite School District, and I was an instructional coach. And I was an instructional coach at Matheson Junior High for a year and a half and Olympus High School for a year. And I am so excited to be an assistant principal this coming year at both Rolling Meadows and South Kearns Elementary School. So I love to crochet, I love to hike, I love to bake, I love to be with people. Those are my favorite things. My mom taught me how to crochet when I was 7 or 8, and I just took off. I crochet all the time. I also love to hike. I just got back from a 4-day, 46-mile backpacking trip. It was amazing down Buckskin. I will hike anywhere with anyone. I love to go with family. I love to go with friends. It's just wonderful. Something new for me, Jeremy loves sports. So he has always gone to BYU football games and he loves the Phillies baseball. So we have season tickets to the BYU football games and we go every game, every season, which is awesome. We go with his family. We tailgate beforehand, which I love that. And then we watch a lot of the Phillies games on TV. And if we get a chance, we try to hit some in-person games. We especially like to go in there in Denver because it's pretty close. And ice cream. July is a National Ice Cream Month, so Jeremy and I eat ice cream every day of July because it's such a great little treat. That's a little bit about me.